Hey guys, what is up? It is PoisoniOSGamer here, and today I am not playing. I'm going to show you guys something that I think will help you guys a lot. And yeah, so you can tell from the video, I'm showing you guys how to join the cookie build servers faster. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure that you can always join it, but it works better than if you're trying to just join one server that only has 40 slots, which is annoying. So the server IP is MB2, which I was gonna play micro battle, so I did MB2, and then I came up with this, and I'm like, what is this? And then I came up with a whole lobby here. Yeah, I was kind of expecting this from Cookie Build. So it's mb2.cookie./build.com. So you add the server, and it doesn't have 40 slots. It has 2,252 spots. So you join that. And look at this. You got all four. You got Build Battle. You got Sky Wars, which has been added. Micro Battles, and you got Turf Wars has been added. I haven't done a video on Turf Wars, Build Battle, or Sky Wars on Cookie Build. I've done the Sky Wars episodes. So yeah, you tap on to join, and see, it joins. It actually joins. So you have to register your account. I'll register it later. So yeah, check it out, definitely. Some servers are full because there's a lot of people on this. There's Turf Wars, which is full, I think. Yeah, it's full. But yeah, so I have fun using this server. The IP will be in the description below. Make sure to check out this server. It's really awesome. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye-bye. Make sure to subscribe.